Hello traders, welcome to this live market analysis. It's Monday, March the 17th, 2025. I'm Juan Maldonado from Elliott Wave Street, and it's a pleasure to share with you today our point of view on the live market on the S&P. It seems that this actual price that we have here could be the bottom of the market. There is a high probability, and in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how we get to this plan of having the completion of this wave, the second wave, and this could be the start of the leg up. This is a daily chart. We can see the sell-off is pretty sharp. Usually we look for corrective waves, more choppy, when the price is going down to see some sort of accumulation. But on the S&P, that's something that is not likely to happen oftenly. Let's have a look at this example here. As you can see, it's an aggressive sell-off. It's more like a V-type reversal, the one that happened here or here or here, and we can see that many times. Sometimes we can have the ideal setup with the two lows at least, but most of the times we have this type of aggressive reversal. Now let's include some point of view from momentum and the volume. The volume has been increasing. We can see during the sell-offs we have the volume increasing. Here happened the same, and here we're seeing the same. It's a big increase in volume. That tells that with more volume and the result being so poor, volume is effort and the price is the result, big effort, poor result. For this volume, the price should be even lower, but that's not the case. So why we have a big volume and quite poor result in price? Is because there is the absorption. Someone is buying heavily while the price is selling. That's the first hint. Now, as another hint, here is the MACD. We have many, if you like the momentum analysis, we have many resources on Elliott Wave Street. Master the momentum. As you can see here, let me open up this chart. We can analyze this together. There is a good addition of momentum, but as we can see here, it's starting to hook up. It's hooking up the momentum. Look at the histogram. Now it's reducing the momentum. We're going to see this with more detail on the 4-hour chart, but just keep in mind that here, on this time frame, we are seeing for the very first time since the drop started, the MACD line hooking up. Let's have a look now at the 4-hour chart, where there is an interesting perspective here from the MACD point of view. Well, look at this setup on the MACD. So when this happens for the very first time, we have permission to start looking for the bullish trade. Let's have a look at the price. Look, precisely, that happens last week at this low. For the very first time. Look, during the whole leg down, we have been seeing the price adding and adding momentum, but this time is different. If you like the smart money concepts, we also have a whole course inside the membership about the smart money from the institutional point of view. Here, we have the change of behavior. And then we look for the 3-wave sequence. And if the price moves down slowly, that's extremely important for the corrective wave. In Elliott Wave, when you have an impulse, the impulse should be fast, and the corrective wave should be slow. If something different to this setup happens, it's not an impulse, it's not a corrective. For example, if you have a choppy impulse and a fast start of the corrective wave, you know that the price is going to continue. So here it seems that today we are getting to the end of the wave 1. This could be the completion of wave 1. Actually, this could be the end of wave 1. And here comes the second wave. So we need to have a really slow second wave. So we can buy it. That's going to be the plan that we are focusing this week on the trading room. Buy the second wave, if only if it moves down slowly. The momentum is increasing, is returning to fair value. The last time the MACD line was at the fair value, by that I mean coming back to the zero line, it was here. It was February 21st, the last time on the 4-hour chart where the MACD was at the fair value. Since then, we have been seeing addition of momentum till here for the very first time, the divergence. This could be a change of trend. If this is not the one, then what this is telling is that the next one, let's suppose that the price sell-offs and makes a fresh low, the rejection here is extremely high as well. That's an alternative. If the second wave is too aggressive and is able to make it to the low, even better, we will have better divergence in the MACD. And from here, we will have it and we can start following the trade from there as well. So it could be from the retrace from the low, or if we prefer from this low, right? Whatever happens during this process. But on the bigger picture, we know with a high probability that the next step on the S&P is the bullish move. Today in the trading room, inside the membership, we are focused on the day trade to sell here and capture a small trade on the lower time frames. That's our plan today. But on the bigger picture, to get ready for buying the wave 2 here or here. Traders, Elliott Wave is a fantastic approach to understand the market dynamics. And if you have Elliott Wave and you understand properly the liquidity of the markets, we can help you with the entire process. If you are having troubles with your trading, send us an email, send us a message, and I promise that we are going to help you and we are going to solve the issues that you are having. So liquidity is extremely important to understand with market speed and momentum and volume. That's the plan for this week. Thank you very much, traders. If you want to be part of our community here on ElliottWaveStreet.com/membership, you can sign up for the any of the levels. The Elite comes with the trading room, with the trading room recording, access to the previous trade recordings as well, the swing trading plans in the Discord, the day trading plans, the access to the community in Discord, and the trading academy, and the everything that you have in the Premier access is included in the Elite access as well. We have a special of $37 the first month, 50% of discount. And also we have the option of the scholarship, our trade scholarship, all the details in this website, this page as well. So traders, that's the plan for today. Have a fantastic start of your trading week. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.